Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to use the Photos app on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So let's open it up, and the first thing you'll be brought to is the front camera. Now you can notice, okay, look at my face right here, but there's one big issue. There's only photo and video mode. Well, what if you want to do a bit more than taking photos, all about a portrait photo? Well, you're going to have to use your Z Fold 3 in candy bar mode and use the camera, which is in the candy bar mode. So if I just unlock my device again and open up the camera, you can see, boom, now we have all the proper options. So we have single take, portrait, photo, video, and then more. So let's go through each one. So we'll start off with photo, because this is probably what you'll be on first. So we have the flash option. You can turn on or off flash. Then you have the timer. This will allow you to set how long it's going to take before the photo is actually taken. You have the aspect ratio. So 9:16 is, let's say this YouTube video is currently at 16:9, so that's just the portrait version of that. But you can also change this to 3:4. The preview will also change as well, if you're wondering. 1:1 or full. Full just takes, the full screen picture. I prefer it at 9:16. And then you have motion photo. So if you're wondering what motion photo is, essentially it's like the live photo feature on iOS. So if I just take one real quick, it's going to record 1 second or so, and you're going to see the live photo feature on iOS. So if I just take one, so essentially it's like a 5-second short video, but it's also a photo as well. Then you have the filters option, so you can choose whichever filter you want right here. And yeah, there is the photos. You also have the advanced settings if you want to look at those as well. Next we have video. So less features. Let's have a look at this. So we have this right here. So Ultra HD is 4K. Let's go back to it. Full HD is 1080p. HD is 720p. So if you choose UHD 60, it's going to record at 4K 60 fps. If you choose HD 30, it's going to record at 720p 30 fps. The higher the quality, the more storage the video will take. Best bet is using a full HD, but if you do need 4K, it is available as well. You have the aspect ratio, and the filters are disabled currently. So we have the more, and this essentially just has other options. You most likely won't touch these. You have slow motion, hyperlapse, which is essentially time lapse. You have pro video, food, AR doodle, pro, panorama, night. These are kind of self-explanatory. If you really need like another video which just like goes through each mode, I guess I could do that. We'll see. Just let me know in the comments if there's enough demand. I will do that. Now let's go back to the portrait. So if I just move out of the way, what it's going to do is you can see your face, right? And what it's going to do is going to blur out the background. So if I go to photo, you can see the background's in view, right? You can see the camera. Portrait will essentially blur that. So what you do is just take a photo, and you do have the option here to slightly zoom out the portrait mode photo. You should have this in a normal photo as well, just like that. And yeah, the options at the top should be the same. Now single take, what this does is you can see you can choose the time. It will essentially take a ton of photos and like some short videos. I wouldn't recommend you use it, but it is there as well. And the option should be the exact same for the backwards camera. However, there's one key difference, which is the backwards camera has 3 cameras. So you have regular, ultra wide, and the telephoto camera. So choose which one's best for you. All the settings should be the same at the very top. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe if you're brand new. See you guys later. Bye bye.